So we are trying to have the marshmallows hit the fan.
What's that?
It's not working out very well.
Okay. Okay, now we got what do we got? We got some we got a pair of marshmallows. Let's see what happens. Just stick them together and make a wonder. Oh, they got stuck in the aloe plant. That's fine. We can get that out. Wham. That's where most of them are flying.
Let me throw one. You take the camera.
Yeah, let me take the camera. Aim at the fan. Aim at the fan. Aim at No.
He's going and eating all of them.
I'm gonna eat all of them.
He's scared of you.
Wham!
Now.
Up.
Weak.
This one. This is a lot better than the candy fan
Pair
I
of
did
them.
a month ago.
Candy fan?
Stuck a bunch of candy canes on it and put candy on it and all went flying off. Well, that was fast. What? I'm about the other direction. Oh, giant bunch of... That's the marshmallows.
Are you seriously filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming. Take this bundle. And
No, you can.
wham! No, don't let Poppy have them.
Ah, do it. You really missed my face.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, I take camera.
Yeah, okay, now. Just hold it how I was holding it. Aim at the... Just aim at the front! How many counts will it take? Yeah! Up that.
Okay, I'm sorry. Stop the video.
Okay.